Hey everybody, it's Jake from Wild Academy. Welcome to day 20 of the Learn PHP tutorial series. Today we're going to be going over multi-dimensional arrays. So this is what we're going to be building right here. So go ahead and open up a new PHP file. Now multi-dimensional array is just an array within an array. So you can see here that we have array and then we have another array, an array, an array. So it's the concept that they explore in Inception, the movie, so a dream within a dream. So just go ahead by starting a new variable name. We'll call it users. We'll set it equal to array. Now we're going to bring down our parentheses right here. We'll come over to here because we're going to organize and structure this so that it's easy to read. And the first array, we're just going to have key value pairs that will indicate the age, the name, and the gender of the individual users. So come down here, we'll set the first key equal to their name. Now here what we're going to use, we're going to use rocket, so it's an equal and then a greater than symbol, just like before. And we'll set the name equal to Tom. And we need to add a comma here, because we're going to the next item in an array. It's not a semicolon, it's a comma. And we're going to do this equal to age. We will put that at 34. Okay, another comma here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do gender. Well, Tom should be male here, okay. And because this is the last item in the array, we don't need a comma there. But I'm gonna bring this back up. Hello. Squeeze that up, there we go. Better. And because we are separating arrays, so like a regular array, we have items in there, right? So we have like Tom, well, we do it as a string. Let's just do 20 or 34 and 54. So you notice that we're separating these items with commas. Well, we need to do that with the arrays as well. So the end of this array is right here. So we separate that with a comma. We don't do a semicolon yet. We'll do that when we're done with all of the arrays within the array. So now we do another array. Now here, what we can do to save time is we could just come up here and we could copy this array and we could paste it. And then we could paste it again right here, so because we're going to do 3 total. Okay, so now we have all 3 arrays. Shrink this a little bit. And then we just come in here because we already have the key names already set in here. We can just come in here and change the names. My son, he's making noises. Let's do 23 here for Matt. He's going to be male as well. And we're going to change this bottom one to Amanda. Amanda. And we'll set it equal to 27. Okay? And we need to change her to female. Hey, Sagan. Oh, you got me. You got me. We're going to call this array down here using print r. Print r. Users. Go ahead and save it. I'm going to save it as multi array. I'm going to run it. Pull this up. All right. So we have the array returned. Let's bring this out down a little bit. There we go. So we have the array returned. Within the array, there is an array with these keys and values. The second array, it has these same keys, different values, same keys, different values. Now, if we wanted to call one of these arrays, like if we wanted to print out the age of user in array number 2, so that would be index 1 right here, we would do users. Oh, we're going to get rid of this actually. We're going to do print. We'll do users. And if we were to just do the brackets here, we would do 1, but that's not going to give us any information. All that'll tell us is that we have an array. Then we need to target the key, so we do the brackets again. Then we just type in our age. Okay, come outside that to our semicolon and hit save. Now we're going to run it, and you see that 23 comes up. Now you can actually do another layer of arrays. So you could do an array within this array right here. So let's just go ahead and do that. Doesn't really make sense for this array, but we'll just do it to show you. We could do two array items in this array. So we'll do array. I'm not going to worry about the structure for this. Just going to show it. We'll do array, and we'll set it to 2, 4, 5. All right, and then we're going to come back down like that. We'll do another array. First we got to do the comma right there. Do array here. We're going to do 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay, so now we can save this again, and if we want to target this 7 here, we will do, we're going to come back down here. Because it's an array, the first array, we need to do this to 0, and we need to go after the index 1 for this array right here. So that would be 1 here. There we go. And then we're going to target which item within it. So we'll target the 8. So that's in position number 2. So we'll do 2 more brackets here. And we hit 2 here. And we're going to hit save, and we'll run it. You'll see that 8, we'll increase the font size here. You'll see that 8 is returned. All right. Here we go. So again, you're not going to want to go too many layers deep with the arrays, but you can. But so you know, it starts to get complex and a little convoluted once you do that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. I know it was a short one. I will see you guys tomorrow in day 21. My name is Jacob Williams. If you haven't subscribed already to the channel, please do. Make sure to thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please ask those in the comments. And share the video on Twitter or Google Plus or wherever. Have a good one, guys. Peace.